Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Miss Lisna. How are you doing? I hope you are all doing well and always protected by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Welcome to Science Lesson. Today we're going to study about living and growing. So enjoy the lesson. Fadil goes to the park with his dad and his sister. He saw many things in the park. Some are alive and some are not. Things that are alive are living things. Human beings, plants, and animals are living things. All living things breathe, move, grow, can reproduce, can have a metabolism, can eat, can respond to the environment, and also have senses. They can use their senses to see, smell, taste, hear, and feel. Human beings can feel emotion. They can be happy, sad, scared, angry, or excited. For example, you will be happy when your parents give you a new toy or a present. Like human beings, animals also can feel emotion. They can have bad mood. They can be angry. For example, a cat will be angry when other cat or someone takes its meal. To reproduce, animals need a male and female. Together, they can create offspring or babies. Some animals, such as chickens, fish, snakes, lay eggs which contain their offspring. Other animals, including human, tigers, cows, goats, and sheep, grow their babies inside them until they are developed enough to be born. Now, let's talk about plants. Plants move in response to light. This causes the plants to bend or direct its growth either toward available sunlight or away from it. Plants also move in response to touch or external stimulus, like Mimosa pudica is a sensitive plant that can respond to touch or other stimulation by rapidly closing its leaf and drooping. Living things need a place to live. Like us, human beings can live at a house. Where do animals and plants live? Sharks live in ocean. Trees live in the garden or forest. Some animals like horses, goats, cows, and sheep live on the farm. Elephants, monkeys, birds live in forests. Can they live in the ocean? Of course no, because the forest gives them food, water, and a home. Different plants and animals live in different places. These places give them what they need to stay alive. Monkeys live in forests, but we can see monkeys living in the zoo as well. Zoos are man-made places. Such places are built by humans for animals to live in. Another example of man-made places are gardens and aquariums. As living things, animals also need food and water. Without food and water, they will die. What will happen if animals do not have food and water? Yes, they will be weak and sickly. As living things, human beings also need food and water to stay alive. The food that we are eating comes from animals and plants. The food comes from animals like meat, fish, egg, and milk. The food comes from plants like vegetable and fruit. For example, like carrot, broccoli, strawberries, and also apples. To be strong and healthy, we need to eat healthy food. So now let's talk about non-living things. Non-living things are not alive. They cannot breathe, move, grow, reproduce. They cannot respond to the environment, and they cannot have cells and also have senses. Can your doll move by itself? Of course no. Can your doll grow? Of course no. Can you imagine when your doll can move by itself? Or maybe your TV or your computer at home can turn on by itself. It will be scary. Maybe you will run and call your mom. Mom, help me. The example of non-living things are glasses, book, and the other one that are not alive. Okay kids, now you can identify all things around you, which one are living thing and which one are non-living thing. That's all from Miss Lisna. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.